Konnichiwa, Technology Advice. I'm Justin Fraction. We're back for part 2 of our list of the top 7 IT software tools in 2023. As a reminder, here's our list. IBM Watson, Zendesk, Amtel, BitDefender Total Security, iDrive, Google Drive, and Red Hat Ansible. Last time we covered IBM Watson, Zendesk, and Amtel, so today we'll be jumping back into it with BitDefender Total Security, best cybersecurity software. Established as a top-tier offering, Total Security provides extensive protection across various platforms, including Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. One of its standout features is the support for mobile devices and Mac OS, supplemented by a one-click optimizer for PCs and an anti-theft tool for remote access in case of theft. The software also boasts real-time antivirus protection, web attack prevention, and a VPN for enhanced online privacy. Other leading cybersecurity solutions: Exabeam, Avast One, and Logarithm. iDrive, best cloud storage backup software. We called out iDrive as the best storage software due to its multi-device backup, top-tier security with 256-bit AES encryption, real-time syncing, and affordable pricing. Features like snapshots for point-in-time recovery, quick data retrieval through iDrive Express, and remote management of computers make it appealing to both individual users and businesses. Its user-friendly interface and positive user reviews further contribute to its reputation as a leading cloud backup solution. Cloud backup and storage software honorable mentions: Carbonite Safe, Dropbox, Backblaze, and Microsoft OneDrive. Google Drive, best file sharing software. Google Drive is a file storage and synchronization service developed by Google. Launched on April 24, 2012, it allows users to store files in the cloud, synchronize files across devices, and share files. Google Drive integrates with Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides, enabling collaborative editing of documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Files created and edited through the Google Docs suite are saved in Google Drive. It offers users 15 gigabytes of free storage shared with Gmail and Google Photos. Additionally, Google Drive provides advanced search features, allowing users to find files using natural language queries. A significant component of Google Workspace, Google Drive offers enhanced collaboration tools for businesses and organizations. Other leading file-sharing software: ShareFile, LiveDrive, FileCloud, and FileCamp. Red Hat Ansible, best configuration management software. Red Hat Ansible is an open-source automation tool designed for configuration management, application deployment, and task automation. Ansible operates in an agentless manner, ensuring ease of integration. Its human-readable YAML, YAML, or yet another markup language scripts foster collaboration and simplify complex tasks. Recent enhancements include Ansible content collections for faster automation and Ansible content tools for consistent code creation. Other leading configuration management solutions: Avik, CF Engine, Puppet, and Canonical Juju. And there we are. We made it to the end of our list of the top 7 IT software tools. To see the article these videos were based on, visit us at TechnologyAdvice.com. If you like these videos, then like them and subscribe so you can see more of our videos when they're hot and fresh. Thanks as always, and we'll see you next time.